Okay. Stretch this out. Get it zoomed in some. He's over there. Crane. He's over there trying to find him a fish to eat. He's over there walking around, wading around, looking for a fish. You'll find him one too. He's over there. Old gray crane. He's wading around real slow, looking for a fish. He goes slow and he'll find one. Catch him a fish. He'll have something to eat. I don't know if y'all can see him very well or not, but he's over there in the shade trying to find him a fish to eat. He moves slow and steady. He'll find the fish, and he'll catch him, and he'll have him something to eat. Right now, he's just being real still, not moving much at all. But he's there. Hadn't seen no alligators down here lately. Not in the last few days, nohow. I come down here occasionally and check on JD, make sure he's all right. And today we're going to have a big dinner. If anybody shows up, that's good. If they don't, me and JD will eat. That crane's over there. He's just about completely stopped now. He won't scare the fish because he's moving so slow. Well, I thought y'all might enjoy that. Bye.